So the topic is general spine maintenance. What to do once you've recovered from your spine problem. The first, movement is medicine. The literature is very clear on this. The best way to prevent yourself from having another problem is to engage in an activity that involves movement of the body.
Hi, I'm Dr. Dave Campbell, a medical doctor and a spinal surgeon, explaining that it's important to live life in a healthier way. I have the professional responsibility to provide safe, high quality, and compassionate care. Here in the guide, I have the ability to help you and many others optimize your own health and that of your families by discussing the health implications of breaking news.
Were you recently involved in an accident where you slipped and fell? Maybe it was a wet floor, or an uneven sidewalk, or a broken step. Regardless of what happened, you probably had to seek medical attention for your injuries. If your accident occurred in a public place or on someone else's property, then you may be entitled to compensation for your injuries.
While many of the law firms on TV shy away from going to trial, we welcome the opportunity to explain the injuries you have suffered to a jury at trial. Your attorney must be experienced in proving how the accident happened and the injuries you have suffered.
We don't spend millions of dollars on TV ads to attract thousands of clients who briefly see their lawyer once and then never see or talk with him again because the case is handled by support staff. We believe it's not only our legal experience, but our personal service which separates us from other law firms.
Over the next few minutes, this video will provide you with instructions and information regarding your surgery. After the video, Dr. Campbell or Dr. Golish and a spine team member will review your most current images and answer any questions that you may have. They will also review with you the possible risks and potential benefits associated with your surgery.
Car accidents can be as minor as fender benders or as devastating as a rollover accident, resulting in significant damage, injuries, and even death. If you have been unfortunate enough to be involved in a car accident where you have sustained injuries and have trouble maintaining your day-to-day activities, then you need legal representation for your car accident case.
In every negligence case in Florida, it's required that you prove that the other driver or the other defendants were negligent, that is, were at fault, that the negligence caused an injury to you, and we must prove the nature and extent of your damages and your injuries caused by the negligence.
My name is Kyle Weber. I'm from Jupiter, Florida, and I own a company called Speed Agility Strength Sports Training. At Speed Agility Strength, we train athletes, young and old. We start them off at 7 years old, and we go all the way through college and pro ranks. And we do speed and agility training, a lot of resistance training, a lot of agility work, anything that's going to better them on the field of play is what we're trying to accomplish.
At first, it was just mainly driving. If I'd be in the car for more than a couple hours, it would start hurting. It would start hurting pretty bad. I'd have to pull over, maybe take some ibuprofen, nothing too bad. Then as it progressed, it was more and more where I'd be driving for 20 minutes and I'd have to pull over.
When I met Dr. Campbell, he just gave me hope that I'm not going to just sit around and waste away. He can fix what I had, the problem, and he did. And I'm just so excited about it because I have my quality of life back.